Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add images without borders in Google Sites, step by step. Whether you're designing a clean, modern website or just want your visuals to stand out, this guide will help you achieve a polished look in no time. First, open your Google site and navigate to the page where you want to add your image. Instead of using the standard Image tool, which automatically adds a border, we're going to use a simple trick. Click on the Insert menu, then select Text Box. This may seem unusual at first, but placing your image inside a text box will eliminate the default border and give your image a seamless appearance. Once the text box appears, click inside it, and then choose the image icon. Navigate to your computer's files, select the image you want, and click Select. You'll notice that the image now appears without any border, blending perfectly with your page. You can resize or reposition the image just like you would with any other element, making it easy to align with your content. This method gives your website a cleaner, more professional look while keeping your images visually appealing. And that's it. Using a text box to insert your images is a simple but effective way to remove borders and maintain a sleek, modern design on your Google site. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to try it on your own pages and see how it instantly upgrades your site's appearance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.